Those steep tariffs on Chinese goods? They're not just headlines. They're sparking major moves behind the scenes in China. Welcome to CentSense, where global money moves meet your personal wallet. Today, we're flipping the lens to see how China is responding to the US's aggressive trade shakeup and what it means for the rest of us. So here's the situation. After Trump's proposed 120% tariffs on goods from platforms like Shein and Temu, headlines went wild. But interestingly, China didn't respond with loud retaliation, at least not yet. Instead, China's playing it quiet and strategic. Behind the scenes, manufacturers are rerouting supply chains. Many Chinese sellers are now shipping through third countries like Mexico, Vietnam, or even Canada to bypass U.S. tariffs. That's not just clever. It's a well-practiced move China used in past trade spats. At the same time, Chinese companies are pushing harder into emerging markets, Latin America, Africa, Southeast Asia. The message is clear. If you close one door, we'll open 5 more. And here's something most people miss. Platforms like Shein are actually localizing their supply. Shein has started building warehouses and distribution centers inside the U.S. That means fewer packages cross borders and fewer chances to get hit by tariffs. Smart, right? Still, there's pain. Small factories in China that relied on U.S. buyers are feeling the pressure. Some report order volume dropping 30 to 40%. Others are slashing prices or laying off workers. While China has a massive export machine, losing easy access to the U.S. market. That stings. But China's government? They're not panicking. They're tightening ties with global partners, ramping up domestic consumption, and investing heavily in tech sectors that are less tariff-sensitive, like AI and green energy. Meanwhile, no official retaliatory tariffs have been announced yet. But trade analysts say if pressure mounts, China could target U.S. agricultural exports, tech imports, or even delay rare earth shipments. Quiet but powerful moves. So what does all this mean for you? Well, prices on imported goods are still climbing, but it's also shifting how goods move around the world. Some Chinese products may seem like they're from other countries. And American businesses? They're watching their overseas suppliers change course fast. Final verdict. This isn't just a back-and-forth spat. It's a long game. China's not shouting, they're adjusting, rerouting, reshaping. And while tariffs might feel like a win for domestic jobs, global trade is like water. It always finds a way to flow. Stay tapped in with CentSense for more sharp breakdowns of the money moves reshaping our world. Drop a comment. Do you think China will eventually retaliate? Or is this quiet resilience their long game? And if you haven't already, check out the video on screen. It breaks down how the new U.S. tariff policy is hitting your wallet right now. It's the perfect setup for everything we covered today. Stay smart. Stay aware. Catch you in the next one.